Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with yet another HO scale rolling stock update. A lot of products been going on. The ACFX tanker back on the rails with some shiny wheels. As you can see here, they're ready for the rails again. I bought this car in 2011, and let me tell you something, I've always liked this tanker, coupled up with the other ones. And it's an Athearn ready to roll too, so see there, I've got the rest of the train all put together. Also, the SCL boxcar has been cleaned. The chassis system hopper, the Western Maryland car, and the Santa Fe car all cleaned. The CSX hopper's been cleaned. The N&W cylindrical did not have to be cleaned. It was actually in pretty good shape. So almost all the older rolling stock here is up to date. Now as I come up here, the Exxon tanker, fully cleaned, got clean wheels on there. The chassis system, ready to roll Athearn Blue Box boxcar, fully cleaned. The Prineville Railway boxcar also got its wheels cleaned. Right now, I've actually got a couple of other products I'm working on too. This is an old Hobbyline Seaboard Airline boxcar. I've got the wheels right now in the alcohol. That one's going to be worked on. And even this one, the Baraxo car made by Tyco, I need to get its wheels clean. I've had this car for a long time. I got this used at a train show. And I've had one truck replaced on it because the coupler broke, and a repair shop that was in my town was actually able to fix it in about 3 minutes. So which was great, and it's been running great since. But I'm going to get its wheels clean, so we'll have it ready to go. I also found this one. This was actually my dad's. It's a Norfolk Southern gondola. And right there, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, it says AHM. Associated Hobby Manufacturers. That's a name you do not see anymore. And this one was made by Hobbyline. Hobbyline is a name you don't hear from anymore either. I found this in my local train shop. So, a lot of projects have been taking place as far as cleaning wheels and getting them up to date and ready for service. I'm going to try to get this one running again. I might see if I can get the couplers converted on a couple of these cars and put them out here on the big loop. So hopefully I'll be able to get that done at some point. So a lot of other projects continuing to happen. A lot of wheel cleaning, just going through pieces and getting them all fixed up. And really, this is great. So thought I would give a little HO update on everything. And real quick, this is how much dirt came off that ACFX tanker. The wheels sat in the alcohol for a day and a half. A lot of nastiness. Ugh. So anyway, that concludes this update. I know it's a lot of cleaning right now, but a lot more progress will be coming soon. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I thank you for watching.